Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are good. I welcome you again to an interesting DIY video where you are going to learn unique art and craft. So here we have created a beautiful scenery of a home and here it is looking so colorful and pretty. Now let's see what are we going to do next. You have to take a circular sheet and then make spirals on it and then paste it. Your snail is ready to go. Keep on proceeding and let's see, get the circle cutouts, get the heart shape, then fold it from the top, get it in this shape and then paste it further. Now what you have to do, you have to roll a sheet in this way and your mouse is ready. Isn't it amazing? Now let's see, you need to take the paper like this, make a Japanese fan out of it. Now you just have to paste them further and here it is. Looking cool, right? Now what you have to do, you just have to take a square sheet of paper, get the folds like this. Now again you have to give it these folds in this way. Give the folds like this and then keep on making this and your Pikachu is ready. Your bookmark. Isn't it pretty? Now take the stick like this, drop it side and then you have to cut it from the middle and get it removed in this way. Now you just have to twirl it further and on a stick you just have to fold it and round it in the wrap it around. Isn't it looking so pretty bouquet of flowers? Now let's see what are we going to do. Again you have to get the paper folds in these manners as we are showing in the video. Yes. Let's see what are we going to do next. Yes, you just have to make a beautiful box out of this and here it is looking so pretty. You can put anything inside. Now what we are doing, you have to take the decorative sheets like this and then get it folded in this manner. Now roll it from the top and this is a heart shape pattern. Isn't it pretty? Now let's see which scenery are we going to make. Take the earbuds and then paste it all over it in this manner, small and big. And then take the clay shape, press it further in the middle. Isn't it beautiful enough? Yeah, definitely it is looking pretty. Now let's see what are we going to do next. Again what you have to do, you just have to fold the paper around and then fold it from the top and then from the sides. It is a beautiful heart shape pattern. Keep on proceeding and let's see what are we going to do next. Take the ball shape in this manner, press it further and then with the help of black marker you have to put dots around like this. Yes, you just have to make the beetles in this manner. Yes, these are looking definitely pretty. Now let's see what are we going to do next. You just again have to take the paper and then fold it and roll it in this manner. Get the creases like this and then keep on folding it further till you get an amazing beautiful result. Now further join them in this manner and here's to the result. Isn't it pretty? Now let's see what are we gonna do next. Now what we are doing, you just have to paste the papers in this manner and then you just have to make the spirals look like this. And here's to the result.